I got this bookcase from Rolanstar. I needed some extra shelving in the dining room, and this looked like it would go with the seats that I have at the high top dining table that I've got. I'm going to back up and let you see all the pieces that I got. These are the shelves and lots of little pieces to put it together. These are the end pieces, the side pieces, and the back of each of the individual shelves. These are not real wood, but they do look like real wood. And so I was kind of impressed with that. So I'm going to put it together. The instructions have a few words in them, but mostly they are pictures. They do go through all of the pieces that I'll double check as I unpack them. And then it shows you in pictures how to put it together with a few words like, don't tighten the screws yet. So hopefully when I'm done, it's going to fit in this corner and give me some more storage space.
Okay, good material, very resistant.
Oh shit. Do that again?
You didn't get it.
Nope.
You have it?
Turn. Turn again. Just so they see. Okay.